How to troubleshoot booking issues on Airbnb. So first, go ahead and open the app, then tap on the profile option on the bottom right corner. From here, scroll down until you see an option called Get Help, which is right below account settings. Then you see four options. Tap on the first option called Visit the Help Center. Here you'll see Search Help on the top. Tap on it. Then simply search for troubleshoot booking issues. Then after you hit search, Airbnb will suggest you solutions that might solve your issue. So it is that easy. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share or subscribe or hit that notification bell so you don't miss any of our videos. Thank you so much for watching and I'll see you guys later.